Oreck Commercial U2000R-1 Commercial 8-pound upright vacuum with helping hand handle, 40 power cord. Get high-speed commercial cleaning on carpet and hard floors at 5,000–6,500 RPM. Powerful direct suction and easy-to-use fingertip controls make cleaning simple. And at only 9 pounds, it's easy to push and carry anywhere. The easy-use carry handle allows for simple, sturdy carrying for easier transportation. Best of all, it was proudly built in the USA with U.S. and globally sourced components. The features of Oreck Commercial U2000R-1 Commercial 8-pound upright vacuum are: upright vacuum cleaners are better suited for cleaning carpets than typical canister vacuums and take up less space for storage. Automatic floor adjustment enables vacuum to move between carpets and hard surfaces without changes to manual settings. Helping Hand Handle has received ease of use commendation from Arthritis Foundation. On/off switches located in hand grip for convenience. Vacuum has 12 inches cleaning path, is 48 inches high, weighs 8 pounds, has capacity of 630 cubic inches.